I think there's a boss. Uh-oh! Hello, my name is Kenzo, and this is English from the ground up. And in this video, we're going to learn some English while playing Super Mario World 2. This was the first Mario game that I played, and I have many great memories playing this game for hours and hours on my Game Boy Advance as a kid. Alright, let's go. Super Mario World. Welcome to Dinosaur Land. It seems that Princess Toadstool is missing. And that means that Bowser must be... Oh. I didn't have time to read the whole thing. Okay, so never mind. I'm going to start by going to the left. This way. And let's go. Let's go! Jump! Alright. I can see some clouds up in the sky and some bushes. Jump! Ooh, there's a coin. I got the coin. Alright. Ooh! I had to duck to stay underneath that huge bullet. Jump! Duck! Ooh, it's a box. A mushroom! Mushrooms make you grow taller. Jump! Uh-oh. Jump! Okay. I got hit by that dinosaur, so I shrunk down again. Jump! Whoa! A mushroom! A mushroom jumped out of the bush. If I jump and spin like this, watch. If I spin jump, I can break these blocks. See? Yeah. And now I can go down this pipe. Beep, beep, beep. Okay, a mushroom. There we go. Jump. Another coin. There we go. All right, we're doing good. Whoa. Uh-oh. I need to hurry. Jump. Jump, jump. I only have 80 seconds left. So I need to run. Jump. Let's go. Go. 60 seconds. Go, go. Go, go, go. I did it. I did it. Wow. I can't believe that I survived. Jeez. All right, let's continue down the path. Let's go. Jump. Oh, lots of coins. Wow, that was a ton of coins. Through the tube. Okay. Ooh. Another switch. Jump! Switch Palace. The power of the switch you pressed will turn into... Okay. Save and continue. Alright. Let's keep going. Let's go to the right. Here we go. Ooh, it's some kind of fruit. It looks like it's maybe an apple? A shell. I'm going to pick up the shell and throw it. More boxes. What's this? A mushroom. I needed a mushroom. Okay. Oh! It's Yoshi. This is Yoshi, and Yoshi is a dinosaur. Oops. If I jump on top of Yoshi, I can ride Yoshi. See? Now I'm riding Yoshi. And I think that Yoshi can eat those apples. Yeah. Eat. Jump. Oh, now Yoshi has the shell in its mouth. And I can spit it out. See? Uh-oh. All right. Another apple. Whoa. Whoa. Uh-oh. Yoshi, no. Come on. Okay, I got the coin. Let's jump. Jump. I can't go down these pipes. What's in these boxes? Oh, another Yoshi. A 1-up, okay. All right. Whoa, vines. Okay. Well, I'm going to climb up these vines. Let's go. Ooh, coins, okay. Now back to my Yoshi. Yoshi! Let's go. Another coin. Another mushroom. Another mushroom. Uh-oh. Whoa. Okay, this apple is pink. It's a different color. Let's eat it. Eat. Nothing happened. Can I go down here? Yes, I can. Jump, jump, jump. Okay. Those green mushrooms give me extra lives. Right now, I have 11 lives. Okay, and once again, I need to hurry. Okay, here we are. Let's go! Go, 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 go! Uh-oh. Ah, okay. Alright, we're doing good. I finished level 2. Alright, let's continue on. Level 3. Whoa. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump. Okay. Oh. Those platforms fall when you stand on top of them. Jump. Another mushroom. All right. Ooh, there's a turtle flying up there. There are 2 turtles. Another Yoshi. Jump. I ate that turtle that was flying up here. And spit out fireballs. Okay. Fire. All right. Jump. Ooh. Okay. That was a fire flower. And that gives me the ability to throw fireballs like this. Now I can throw fireballs. Ooh, a star block. Okay. Jump. There we go. Easy. Easy. All right. Now we have 13 lives. I haven't died yet. All right, level 4. Let's go. Ooh, there are fish down there in the water. And they jump out of the water. Okay. Another mushroom. A coin. It looks like I'm standing on top of huge mushrooms. Coin. Jump. Can I go down this pipe? Yes, I can. Ooh. Jump. Apple. Ooh. All right. And back down the pipe. A red shell. Fire! Uh-oh. Oh no, I can't see. Yoshi! Yoshi! No! R.I.P. Yoshi. All right, jump, jump. Oh, spikes! Okay, there are spikes floating down the river. Jump, jump, spikes, spikes! Okay, we're safe. Jump. Ah! Uh-oh, fish! Okay, we're safe. I'm gonna get the top score. Here we go. Jump! All right, we did it. We did it. All right, and it's time for a castle. This is going to be easy. No problem. All right. Ooh, there are turtles climbing up there on the fence. Goodbye. Okay, jump. Jump. Uh-oh. Oh, it's a fire flower. Hey. All right, cool. A coin, die turtle, die turtle, die turtle. Ooh, a fireball. That fireball is jumping out of the lava. Oh, I can't get that coin? Huh. Oh, I see. I have to go like this. Aw. Coin. Okay. Jump. All right. Coin. I can't believe that got me. Okay. This is the halfway point. All right, let's go through this door. All right. Oh, uh-oh. Jump. I'm crouching. Coin! Okay. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Jump! Ah. Oh well. That was my first death. Alright, try number 2. Through the door. Alright, here we go. Jump! I can see some candles in the background. Coin! Mushroom. Okay. I have to wait. Run! Here I have to wait. And now! Alright. I think there's a boss. Uh-oh! There's a boss in this door. Let's go. Alright, jump! Jump! Uh-oh. Wait. There we go. I did it. Easy. Easy, boss. I'm holding an egg, and I exploded the tower. Mario and Luigi have defeated the crazed Iggy Koopa in Castle 1 and rescued Yoshi's friend, who is still trapped in an egg. Now they travel together to Donut Land. All right. And I think I'm going to end this video right here. Save and quit. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.